Okay, so just as a reminder, here is the skirt I'm making with this material, and then I'm also making this vest for my husband to match, okay? So, that is relevant to some of the treats I'm gonna show you. So when I was talking before, I talked about wearing a tank top that matches my husband's shirt and then a sweater because, you know, it's going to be by the ocean. And I wanted it kind of cropped so I could leave it open, you know, and join it at the top. So I found that, which I'm really happy with the sweater. It's really cute. And it's like a regular, you know, it's not thick, but it's, you know, it'll be warm. So there's that, and it's really cute. No big deal with that one, but I just thought I'd share. And then, so yeah, it'll be open, right? And go out like this. And then what I thought would be neat is if I could find like a Star Wars brooch or something, because I'm not going to be, excuse me, I'm not going to be wearing jewelry. I'm going to put this down. Just because I'm not, it doesn't matter why, but so I thought something I could pin here, would look nice, right? So I found these, pins that are shaped like, okay, so here's the material, right, for the skirt here. And these match, where is it? So I have a stormtrooper head and, oops, I put it in the bag. A Darth Vader head. Where is it? Anyway, so like that. And then I have some chain. Actually, it's right here. I have some little chain I'm going to put between it, and it's also kind of matches. And then so they'll hang, and they even have loops on the back. I don't know, I guess so you can use them as buttons. I don't know what that's for, but I'm going to hang chain from it, and I think it's going to look so cute. Okay, so yes, nerd. I also got a dark side pin, or whatever you call it, the Imperial, and then totally incongruous, but a really cool, you know, pin of that ship. My husband's gonna divorce me when I can't remember the Han Solo. I know what it is. It's the Millennium Falcon. God damn it! I'm gonna lose my nerd credentials. Anyway, so that's that, and I'm kind of excited about that because that's gonna kind of be my only jewelry, and it's gonna be neat looking, I think. And then what else? Oh wait, there is more. Okay. So that's that, and also I got. Oh, for my husband's vest, I got some of those same Imperial symbols, but they're metal buttons. So they're enamel metal. They're nice. So that'll look really cool on there. Little subtle something, but my husband's kind of happy about it. Okay. And then also, okay, I mentioned I was going to wear a wrap because it could get cold and I don't want to wear a coat. So I bought this material to line it. And I was trying to decide what material to put on the outside. And I ordered this and I love it so much. It kind of makes everything very fancy. So it's like a metallic velvet. Here, Lex, I hope you can see this good. Oh, I mean, hello. That is gorgeous. And I'm wearing burgundy. We're wearing burgundy shirts. So I think this is gorgeous and also metallic, so kind of spacey, and I don't know. I just think it works. It works for me. I'm telling my husband at this point, we're going to walk in, no one's even going to notice that it's a Star Wars outfit because it's so subtle and fabulous. So, oh, okay. One more thing. As if this was, maybe I'll put them on here because isn't that pretty? Can you see that? Let me see. I don't know if you can see how shiny and gorgeous it is, but it is. And then the velvet, I love it. Okay, also I bought shoes because normally I live in tennis shoes or whatever, and I thought, you know, I want some shoes, so I bought these adorable freaking shoes. Hello. They're Clarks, so they're squishy. I think they're waitress shoes. And I just decided I wanted saddle shoes, and then I found these with the nice block heel, and I also was worried about slipping because we're going to be near the ocean, like I said, and the grass, whatever. I just didn't want to worry about slippery shoes. So I think these are adorable. Yes, they're giant and big feet. They're gorgeous. I'm going to be so comfy in them. And they're kind of the highlight of the whole outfit. So I think that's it. And today is a sewing day. I got lots of sewing still to do, but I'm going to put this video up probably before, you know, the end of the week when the wedding is. So yeah, it's hustle but time, but I'm ready. Okay. Fake it here. You see my beautiful view? Ooh, it's kind of yucky out. Anyway, just a quick update here. I was so worried my crinoline wouldn't show up. There was a whole thing about it. Is this? Oh, there we go. There was a whole thing about it where I didn't think it was going to show up. And then it showed up, and I had another one that didn't fit right or wasn't the right color. And this one is perfect. It's the right shape. It fits. It's the right color, and it showed up on time. So I actually tried it on with the skirt yesterday, and I was super excited. And here's the skirt. That's almost done. It just needs to be hemmed. So, haha, it is lovely. I tried on kind of the whole outfit yesterday, somewhat. It needs to be hemmed a lot shorter. It's like still way too long, even though I shortened it, but I'm trying to go for knee length. So I just had to show you that. I was sewing yesterday. It's done. The waistband is done. It just needs to be hemmed. Ha ha ha. Today is vest day.